Reverse, reverse, reverse. After seeing this small short of video, you guys would have got to know what reverse is, right? We have done or we are doing everything in reverse for 24 hours. Good morning all, welcome back to Nesa Reddy's daily vlogs. Early in the morning when I got up, first thing I wanted to do is get a milk and also go for walk. That is what everybody else also does, right? Yeah, of course. So I came here to reversely take milk from the shop. It seems so funny to try everything in reverse. I thought even breakfast I want to have reverse. When I was having breakfast, when I decided to have breakfast, I felt like I'll go ahead and eat it normally. Then I decided, no. We have to have everything in reverse. So I holded the spoon like this and started having reverse like this. I don't know, I never thought actually when I reverse the spoon, food will sit on it. But it was not that hard to actually have rice, using spoon reversely. But I definitely think dosa or something would have been difficult or it would have been a big challenge. But it was so nice and difficult, and also at the same time so damn funny. I never thought I would try something so crazy. Do you guys wanna have some? Have it. It was good. This is pulao. I just made early in the morning after coming back from the shop to get milk. Breakfast was tasting so good. It was so yum and it was really different than any other day. Usually whenever I cook, I usually get the same kind of taste, but this time it is really different and awesome taste. So I started enjoying it and having it. Maybe it is because I'm having it reverse or something. I really don't understand. My mind is tricking me or something, but it was really tasting yum. And after having breakfast, I started unboxing a box which I got from Amazon. And actually why I ordered this was I already have a stand which is almost 3.5 feet, but I'm not comfortable enough shooting in it because I have to use a chair or a stool or something all the time to shoot it. So I thought I'll order it. I always wanted a stand which is taller than me at least, so that I can shoot any kind of shots I want, at least 6 feet. But I never could find 6 feet or above, lens stands for my phone or a camera. If you ever find it, please comment in the below or comment the link in the below so that I will see and order it. And when I ordered it, it was really looking like it might not be as they have given. It was 5.5 feet as given by them, but I don't know whether it will be 5.5 or less. I'm hoping for the best. But when I started opening it, I thought I'll quickly tear it apart and just open it up because I have upper body muscle and all that. But maybe because today I'm doing reverse challenge or something, I feel like even my energy is going reverse. So I don't know. Let's see. When I unfolded it, it was looking like this with few of the clips, wherein if I click on the clips or open up the clips, it will increase the length of the stand as such. Even though after seeing this clip, I don't feel like it is as mentioned 5.5 feet. I always wanted 6 feet because I'm tall. Let's see how tall it can come. But I don't think I'm comfortable if it is not 5.5. I'm definitely gonna return it. What do you guys think? Just to measure, I started keeping it below and started unfolding it to see how tall it can come while I sit. So when I opened up all the clips, it was still little above my head, that's all. Because if I stand, it's not even gonna come to off of my height. If I'm 5'9" and if this stand is 5.5 feet, it should at least come till my shoulder, right? But it was not that tall, I thought. And see guys, this is the length of the stand. Do you think it's worth it? Should I keep it or should I return it? I'm still confused and I don't know whether I'll be able to find stand which is lengthier than this. Should I keep it or not? Let me see what I should do. And as today is the reverse challenge, I had so many ideas to do. I don't know which one actually to pursue. One after the other, I thought, okay, let me try. And after fitting this stand, I really didn't know how to keep the phone. And as I was recording in the phone, I couldn't record that thing wherein I tried everything. But I can see you can actually vertically move it to 180 degrees, as in you can move the phone and adjust it so that the angle you want can be perfectly taken. So I am okay with the stand but not happy because of the height. I didn't expect this could be only 4.5 feet, but I expected 5.5 feet, so almost a feet less. I actually wanted bigger, but let's see. Let me know in the comment if you can find bigger stand than this. I tried to make it bigger by folding like this, thinking that this might turn out different, but looks like it's gonna be the same height. So completely disappointed. I don't think whatever the Amazon people say is gonna be the same. So after getting completely disappointed, I wanted to take a walk in the park in a reverse way. Yeah, of course, I know, right? So when I went to the park, I thought so many people will be there. As it was a weekend, I saw very less people came to the park. Yeah, not everybody is health conscious like me, right? Even in the weekdays, they'll come to the park to walk. When I started walking reversely, I couldn't actually see anything behind me. So I was trying to see in the camera and try to move backwards. It was crazy and so funny. And that grandpa was staring at me. Why? What is wrong with this girl? Is she drunk early in the morning or what? Why is she walking like this and all? After that, the beautiful view of so many lotus flowers. Hope I will get a chance to walk around that stone path and pluck one or two lotus plants, but it was not the right time because I saw police and all other people roaming around. I can't take that risk, right? This part was so funny. I thought I'll record me walking backwards and also try it out by reversing it. So usually what we do, we'll walk forward and try to reverse it. It looks normal, right? But walking reversely looks actually weird, and I really wanted to see if I walk forward, how does that gonna look? And I'm gonna show you guys right now. Let me know how it is. It was really so damn funny. That's what I felt. What did you guys think? Oh my god, this uncle is not even caring. See how is he walking with me? So funny. The way it is visible, I couldn't actually stop laughing after saying this video. I feel like something stuck in my pants or something. That's why I'm walking, but it was crazy and funny. And thank you so much for watching so far. Please subscribe, follow. See you guys tomorrow. Ta-da.